This video shows how they cut slices of agate stone. They put the rocks on this machine. The machines have a diamond saw, and they use oil to keep the machine cool because it's a diamond saw going against the stone. Some of the cuts, some of the slice on bigger stones can take up to 30 minutes to complete. So they secure the stone in place, close the machine, turn it on, and then it cuts by itself, and then you open, and then you see there's the slice, reviews what's inside that one agate stone. And these guys are the first ones to always see the beauty of the agate. You don't know what's inside until you cut it. So then you adjust the stone. You see the rock there. You can adjust the rock a little bit to the side so you continue cutting.